Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Toyota Tundra SR5. 2014 Toyota Tundra SR5 Power, Performance, Perfection. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine, with an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 138,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the 2014 Toyota Tundra SR5. This powerhouse boasts a 5.7L V8 engine with 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque like a rhino on steroids. It's loaded with factory features like power windows, locks, mirrors, a touchscreen infotainment system, Bluetooth, and a backup camera. You'll feel like you're piloting a spaceship with all these high-tech amenities. The exterior sports a sleek magnetic gray metallic finish, while the black cloth interior is durable and ready for adventure. Fuel efficiency? 13 mpg city and 18 mpg highway, so you can enjoy the power without breaking the bank. With only one previous owner and a clean Carfax report, this truck is in excellent condition, a true unicorn. Don't miss out, swing by and test drive this beauty today. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and rear privacy glass.